Hi friends, this video shows how to power off this OnePlus mobile phone. By default, if we press and hold this power button, it opens this Google Assistant. Here you can see Google Gemini chat box. If you want to power off this mobile phone, you have to press volume up and power button together. So let me press volume up and power button together. Now we can see power menu. From here, we can power off or restart. If you want to power off, you have to move this circle down here. If you want to restart, you have to move this circle up to this restart section. So this way we can power off or restart. So next I will show you how we can change this button mapping. Go to settings, tap on the settings up icon, go down, tap on accessibility and convenience, go down, tap on power button, tap on press and hold the power button. By default, you can see it has selected Google Assistant. That is the reason it's opening Google Assistant when we press and hold this power button. We can change this. We can change this to power menu. Done. Let me close this. Next I am going to test it. Press and hold this power button. See, this time it has opened this power menu. From here I can power off or restart. Okay, so this way we can power off this OnePlus mobile phone. Please try this. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please subscribe this channel. Please like and share the video.